The jury for the murder trial of two people accused of killing a Perry woman in 2022 have reached a verdict after 2.5 days of deliberations.
38-year-old Callie Brackett was found guilty of murder today. The case against 39-year-old Donnell Dana was declared a mistrial.
43-year-old Kimberly Neptune was killed in her apartment in April of last year. According to court documents, Neptune was stabbed 484 times.
Dana and Brackett were indicted on murder charges in July of last year, and we'll have more on that story tonight.